So with all the oil change videos that we have on the channel, I get asked every now and then, how often should I change the oil in my car? So the answer to that depends on a few different things. These days, there are a lot of different types of oil out on the market. You have, the regular, inexpensive oil that's, $4 or $5 a quart. And it'll say on the bottle that stuff's typically good for like 3,000 miles. And then you have synthetic oils, which are typically good for 7,500 miles. And then there's synthetic oils that say they're good for 10,000 miles and 20,000 miles. I don't know if I'm ready to go that long between oil changes myself, but look at your owner's manuals and see, what the recommended oil weight is for your vehicle. When you do an oil change, always buy a brand new filter because that filters out all the impurities and stuff. But it really comes down to, what kind of oil you buy. And so if you buy like the inexpensive conventional oil and it's like rated at 3,000 miles, and you'd have to change the oil every 3,000 miles. If you buy like a full synthetic oil, a lot of those are like 7,500 miles, and now they've come out with like 10,000 mile oil and 20,000 mile oil. But I've been doing the synthetic 7,500 mile oil for a long time, never had an issue with it. I've been running Mobile One and a few other things in other vehicles that I have. And just follow the bottle, see what the bottle recommends, and that's what I would follow. So I hope this helps to answer the question that you had. And just make sure you pick the correct oil weight for your vehicle, because if you choose the wrong one, it can cause a bearing issue or something like that, or a lubrication issue, which could, lead to a failure in your internal motor. But don't want to scare you. As long as you grab the right weight oil, you should be good to go. If you guys have a question, leave a comment on the video and I'll reply back to you guys. Thanks for checking us out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take it easy.